Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I am again, and I hope you are not bored, okay, listening to me, talking to you in this video clip. So let's continue our PDPR with task 9 on page 119. Okay, we just continue from where we stopped just now. Okay, task 9, page 119. Okay, read this writing task and use the plan and the language bank to help you write your review. Meaning, baca tugasan penulisan di bawah dan gunakan plan ataupun guideline, contoh, and the language bank di sebelah, bank 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 perkataan di sebelah untuk membantu anda menulis ulasan. Remember to describe your own experience at the camp in the past tense. Ingat untuk menceritakan pengalaman anda sendiri di camp di dalam past tense. But use the present tense for general description. Tetapi gunakan present tense untuk penjelasan, penggambaran gambaran am. So the question is, you see this advertisement in an international travel magazine. Reviews wanted summer camps for teenagers. Camp musim panas kepada remaja. Okay. We want reviews of summer camps for teenagers. Kami mahukan ulasan tentang satu camp musim panas untuk remaja. Your review should include information about the place. So the first point is the place, tempat, di manakah ia, lokasi, where is it, Kampung Sat, Kusial, Kulim, Cerai Lali, Kubang Gali, Kenerak, okay, Batu Hitam, Padang Kucil, okay. The food, makanan yang disediakan, dijual, and what you can do there, dan apa anda boleh buat di sana. Okay, so in Tanah Merah we have Putra Valley. Okay, that is one of the place that you can write about. You can create your own place as a summer camp. Okay, Lata Hujan. Okay, Telaga Bijih. So you should write about places like that. Okay, in your review. Okay, so here there are 4 points that you should include. The first one, the place, the food, and activities, or what you can do there. And lastly, the last point that you need to include is, would you recommend it to other people your age? Adakah anda akan mengesyorkan tempat ini untuk orang lain seusia dengan anda? So make sure you include these 4 points or elements in your review. Okay, it is similar to the sample review on page 118, but this time you need to write about a local place, a local camp. Not in Spain, not in Bendanyo, Spain, Bendanyo. Okay? Okay, the best reviews will be published in next month's magazine. Write your review 140 to 190 words. That is a word range. Pendek saja, 140 kata perkataan minima. Don't be lazy. Attempt these questions. Okay? So plan or the framework plan macam mana? Title. You need to give a title to your review, to your summer camp review. For example, sebagai contoh, Putri Valley. Okay? The ideal summer camp for Tanah Merah teenagers. You can write a title like that. Okay, in paragraph 1, you need to introduce the name and location of the summer camp. Kamu kena memperkenalkan nama, nyatakan nama dan tempat lokasi camp musim panas itu. Di mana dia? Okay, you can follow the sample paragraph, the sample essay, the paragraph 1 of the sample essay. Tiru saja. But you need to change there and there lah. Jangan tiru sebiji, no. You need to use your own creativity. Okay, the sample is given already. You just need to modify a bit. Okay, paragraph 2, 3, and 4. Perenggan 2, 3, dan 4. What must you include? Describe, ceritakan, jelaskan, and comment on the place. Dan tuliskan ulasan, komen anda, kritikan, aduan, okay, pandangan on the place, tempat berkenaan. Okay, Puteri Valley Forest Resort, for example. What do you want to comment about the place? Okay, uh, there are many mosquitoes at night, for example. You can complain. Okay, the food, tasty or not? Okay, cheap or expensive? Okay, reasonable price or not? Okay, next one. And the activities that you can do at Puteri Valley Rainforest. Okay, what are the activities you can do there? Hiking, okay, night watch, swimming, okay, um, playing guitar, okay, whatever, okay. And in paragraph 5, you need to make your recommendation. Kena buat pengesyuran, cadangan, okay. Do you recommend this place to teenagers, okay, to come, to go, okay, or do you think this place is quite costly or this place is not interesting for you to visit? So you need to make a comment or recommendation just like the sample review on page 118. Okay, next one. We look at the language bank. Tengok kepada contoh kataan yang kamu boleh gunakan. Language bank location. Okay, it is located in the mountains or forest. Ia terletak di dalam hutan ataupun gunung. It is beside a beach. Sebelah pantai, river or lake. Tasik. Campsite. Uh, Jenis camp dia, tempat lokasi itu, camp, tempat perkemahan. Tents or room or dorm. Okay. Kemah ataupun bilik. Dorm. Okay. Bunk bed. Bunk bed means katil 2 tingkat. Okay. Double decker. Showers. Are showers provided or do you have to bathe in the river, swim in the river, kena mandi dalam sungai? Okay. Food, makanan, barbecues, you know barbecues. Pack lunches, makanan tu di pack. Okay. Vegetarian, orang yang makan sayur saja. Nutritious, berkhasiat, healthy, sihat. Snacks, makanan ringan. Junk food, makanan jajan, makanan fast food, okay, which is not good for our health, our body. Activities, well organized or well supervised. Well organized disusun dengan kemas, okay, supervised dipantau dengan baik. Instructors, jurulatih. Water sport, sukan air, for example, white water rafting, berakit di air tawar, white water rafting, kayaking, canoeing, swimming, okay. Arts and craft, seni dan craft, tangan. Next one, when you want to summarize the whole place, it is a big or wonderful choice of activities, okay. A large or fantastic selection of food, a good or wide range of accommodation, and or a wide variety of drinks and food. Okay. And for recommending the place to your friends, if you are an outdoor person, then this is the camp for you. If you are an active, energetic teenager, then this is the camp for you. Don't miss it. Okay, jangan terlepas. Book your place now. It's perfect or ideal for active teenagers, okay, who want adventurous, challenging activities. It might not suit those who are inactive. It might not suit passive people or passive person. Okay, so I want you to answer this writing task in your Google Classroom. I will post the Google document later for you. So this is just the briefing. So I wish you all the best. Okay, happy learning at home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.